especially in classics for the Impala fans. 1962 Chevrolet Impala SS two-door hardtop or sport coupe. Yes, true SS 812 trim on the data tag. So black vinyl SS interior. Let's take a look at the front grille. Chrome on the bumper, headlight surrounds. Looks good. Something else I want to mention quick is this vehicle will come with a 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan included in the purchase price. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate when you call in or email, and you can call in at 507-386-1726. UniqueClassicCars.com is where you can see all the still pictures. See it's riding on steel wheels. Chevy dog dish hubcaps. Satin silver paint. Paint does have a nice shine to it, good finish. And as you can see up and down that passenger side, nice and straight. I did notice a couple little small imperfections, kind of maybe a little bubble on the hood here. There's a couple right over there in the hood. So a couple small imperfections on the hood. Interior, 4-speed car, paired up with that 409 dual 4-barrel V8 underneath the hood. I have had the wipers working, blower fan working on the interior. We're going to start it up, let you hear it run at the end of the video here also. Remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation. I mentioned earlier about checking out the still pictures. Definitely look at the underside. It's been finished in the red oxide primer. So it looks very good on the underside. As we take a look at the rear, chrome, tail lights, of course SS emblems, and those still pictures. Take your time looking through them. UniqueClassicCars.com. Look at the interior. You're going to see a 7,000 RPM tack. Was originally a West Coast car. Started out life in California and then up the coast of Washington. We actually obtained it from a large collection that unfortunately a family had to sell. The passing of a father in the family. And now is offered for sale. All right, door panels. Good. Carpeting all nice shape. You can see the seats are really free of any rips, tears, holes. Over 100 pictures of this car inside and out, top to bottom. Headliner looks good. Rear deck. There's that 7,000 RPM tack I was talking about. Grab the key so we can fire this up and check out how it runs, check out underneath the hood. So tack is working. Again, 409 dual 4-barrels. Mentioned earlier I've had the blower fan working, windshield wipers working. Did not get any reception with the radio. A little static, crackle some. Maybe due to the fact we're indoors here. Just want to mention those things to you. Slip around to the back so you can hear this run. Nice little rumble coming out of that 409. Let me pause this 1 second quick. I want to pop this hood. We'll check out that engine bay. Wrap up this video. Get a look at the underside of the hood. There it is. You can see the dual floors underneath there. Also equipped with power steering. Nice, clean, tidy engine bay. Heater hoses all intact yet. Battery disconnect. Have it in storage for any length of time at all. 1962 Chevrolet Impala SS, real deal SS. 2-door hardtop, 409 powered, 2 4-barrels, 4-speed, manual transmission, power steering, satin silver. Give us a call, 507-386-1726. Remember, it's going to come with that 3-month, 500-mile warranty protection plan. May be extendable out to 10 years. Consult with your sales associate. We do consider trades. Financing is available. And of course, we can assist with transportation.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
Today we have a beautiful 1962 Chevrolet Impala. Silver, black inside. This is a 4-speed on the floor. Aftermarket tachometer. It's very period correct, mounted to the column. Excellent acceleration in this car. Very nice feeling clutch and stick. Letting go of the wheel, she stays perfectly straight in the lane. The radio, you get a little bit of noise, but I'm not picking up any AM stations, so it is powered. For gauges, our speedometer is not moving, which means neither is the odometer. Fuel gauge is reading a quarter. We have lights for the temperature, so those are in the green right now. Very powerful engine in this car. A hard to find 409. Special carburetor setup on this car. We've got bucket seats with a center storage console. Drives very much like a new Impala. Handles good in the corners, as you'd expect it would. Yeah, that throttle response is very good in this car. Beautiful condition interior. A lot to admire in this Impala. Check it out at uniqueclassiccars.com.